Have you ever noticed that every school has copies of the same exact people? Because when I was younger, I transferred to a school where I thought I didn't know anyone. But on my very first day, at 8 a.m. in the morning, I see a girl in my class wearing pajamas with her hair up in a bun eating hot Cheetos. So I was like, wait, I think I went to school with this girl. But then I saw her face and it was a completely different person. I was shocked because I never would have thought there was multiple people that do this, especially at 8 a.m. in the morning. But then it got weirder because I saw my own doppelganger and we recognized each other right away because he was the kid who wouldn't talk because he wanted to seem mysterious and nonchalant when in reality, everyone just thought he was weird for not talking. Like, that's literally my twin. When I saw him, I was like, don't worry, bro. You don't have to pretend with me. I see the real you.